Are you good? Welcome back to another class. Today let me start English chapter number 4 from dawn to dusk, यानी कि सुबह से शाम तक. The tenebrous, tiring, tipsy nights trotted away. रात चली गई है as the sun tarried to commence its dynamic day. है ना, इस प्यारे से दिन में सुबह में सूरज निकल आया है. A bluish beam lingered in the air, but something amidst the bluish beam let out farrago mesmer of euphoria. The sun rose up like an incensed inferno. The first scarlet rays opened the beautiful buds, and the rest that shadowed opened my eyes. The sun rays in the cerulean, skillful sky, and the feathered friends flitted high. Clouds, as if a feather bed with scarlet outlines of the sun's rays, wrapped up in the ethereal liberal light, the stars in deep dry slumber, the towns all yellow and ablaze after the dismal discordant night. The suns all are barbarous like a ferocious fire, and since morn it's gone up higher. The trees' considerate canopy is a parasol, but the daylight reflects its hazy hue. Everything and anything, everyone and anyone is scorched and sweltered, felt as though the powers above air in wrath, uttering curse through this waspish warmth. The sun departed and the ambience changed, the sun and stars rearranged. The sun's sparred off to set now, downwards and downwards, seemed like a yellow bowl. The bluish beam lingered again, and awoken were the stars. The divinity has considerably calmed down, for the waspish warmth decreases. Awoken like the stars was the town from siesta. The sun had now gone black, the brightness seems to lack. Twinkling were the stars and the bluish beam from the mesmerizing moon. The day is over and yet the sun will approach to convey another dynamic day. The moon makes dark contrary to the sun. The birds close and so do some eyes. The towns all lighted now. The tenebrous, tiring, tipsy night strutted away as the sun tarried to commence its dynamic day. The sun rays in the cerulean, skillful sky, and feathered friends flitted high. The sun's solar powers like a refocious fire, and since morn it's gone up higher. The sun departed and the ambience changed. Okay, so the sun and stars rearranged. The sun had now gone black. The brightness seems to lack. This is how the day lumbers. After night, the day, the night, from dawn to dusk. अब इस पोयम में कवि ने क्या बताया है कि सुबह से शाम तक क्या क्या होता है. जैसे रात जाती है, अंधेरा छटता है, सुबह होती है, सूरज अपनी किरणों से पूरी पृथ्वी को जो है लाल, यानी कि सुबह सुबह जब सूरज निकलता है तो कैसे लालिमा बिखेरता है. ठीक है, फिर धूप चढ़ती है, खेतों में सब काम करने जाते हैं, सब अपने अपने काम पे जाते हैं. इतना खूबसूरत जो है प्रकृति का चित्रण होता है, नदियां बह रही हैं इस तरह से. फिर धीरे धीरे दिन गुजरता है, रात आती है, तो रात में क्या होता है, पूरा प्लैनेट दिखाई देता है, स्टार्स होते हैं, मून्स होते हैं, मून होता है, स्टार्स होते हैं, प्लैनेट्स होते हैं, कैसे वो चमकते हैं, ब्लैक बिल्कुल स्काई हो जाता है इस तरह से, है ना. तो कैसे सुबह से शाम तक और शाम से सुबह तक क्या क्या ये मतलब चलता है, कैसी कैसी चीजें होती हैं, इस कविता में बताया गया है. सो एवरीवन, दिस चैप्टर इज इन हियर. I hope you are very well understanding chapter. So we will meet to the next class. Thank you everyone.